Your car might be smart, but these gadgets can make it a whole lot smarter. What's up, guys? Welcome to Next Tool X, where we find gadgets that are actually worth knowing about. Today, we've got some seriously clever car gadgets you'll want to see before your next drive. So watch till the end, and if you find something you need, the links are in the description. And don't forget to subscribe to Next Tool X for more awesome gadgets. Your phone is dying halfway through the drive? This fixes that. This is a Qi 2.2 certified MagSafe car charger that delivers up to 25 watts wireless charging on supported newer iPhones, while an active cooling system helps manage heat. It also works as a magnetic phone mount. Plus, the included car adapter gives you up to 95 watts across USB-C and USB-A, and you can mount it on the dashboard or air vent. Basically, charge, cool, and navigate all from one spot. The worst time to wish you had a dash cam is after the accident. This one records true 4K in the front and rear, so you're capturing what's happening around your car, not just ahead. The 157-degree front and 140-degree rear cameras cover a wide view, while HDR and enhanced night vision help keep footage clear after dark. It also has 5.8 GHz Wi-Fi, built-in GPS, a 3.3-inch IPS screen, and an app for downloading footage. And if the G sensor detects a crash, it can lock that video so it won't be overwritten. For extra protection while parked, it offers 4 parking modes, with a hardwire kit required for 24/7 monitoring. Still running a mess of wires just to control your truck's accessories? There's a cleaner way. This 6-gang switch panel gives you one control center for up to 6 12-volt accessories, handling up to 60 amps or 720 watts. It's plug-and-play, waterproof, and includes a fuse, relay, temperature protection, and organized wiring. The coolest part, it automatically dims in dark areas and brightens in daylight. Perfect for trucks, UTVs, ATVs, boats, RVs, and off-road builds. If your car still feels stuck in the past, this might change that. This 11-inch smart display adds wireless CarPlay and Android Auto, so you get maps, Waze, music, calls, and voice control without replacing your factory stereo. It also packs a 4K front dash cam and 1080p rear camera, with a 64GB card included. And the plug-and-play setup takes just minutes. One screen, modern features, and a seriously upgraded driving experience. Your car is already giving you all this data, you just can't see it. This 3.6-inch hood pulls real-time info like speed, RPM, water temperature, voltage, fuel use, turbo pressure, and more right onto your dashboard. It uses OBD plus GPS, and you can even switch screens with a simple hand wave. You also get speed, temperature, voltage, and fatigue alerts, plus 0 to 100 acceleration and braking tests. With 13 display themes and adjustable ambient lighting, it turns your dashboard into a seriously smart control center. Your old car might be smarter than you think. This tiny box upgrades wired CarPlay to wireless. Just plug it in, connect your phone, and it automatically reconnects. But here's the crazy part. With your phone's hotspot, you can access Netflix, YouTube, TikTok, Disney+, Prime Video, and supported live sports apps right on the car screen. It also supports USB movies and music, plus HDMI output for a rear seat display. Just make sure your car already has wired CarPlay or Android Auto. Before you pay a mechanic, check the car yourself. The Ansel FX 2000 goes way beyond a basic code reader. Plug it in, and you can scan engine, ABS, SRS/airbag, and transmission systems, then read and clear supported codes. You can also see live data, freeze frame info, and built-in code definitions to understand what's actually happening. It works with most 1996 plus OBD2 vehicles, with coverage varying by vehicle. And you get free lifetime updates, a small scanner that can give you a much better idea of what your car is telling you. Ever walked through a parking lot thinking, Where the hell did I park? This little gadget does more than charge your phone. Zeus automatically saves your car's parking location so the app can guide you back to it. It can also charge 2 devices, track your mileage, remind you before parking time runs out, and even monitor your car battery health. So instead of just being another car charger, it turns your everyday drive into a smarter one. What if your car could put Google Maps right in front of your eyes? This is iDrive, a transparent head-up display that projects navigation from apps like Waze and Google Maps directly onto your windshield, so you can follow directions without constantly looking down at your phone. But it goes further. Gesture control lets you manage calls, music, or even launch the backup camera with simple hand movements. And that rear camera is wireless, waterproof, and designed to work with any car. Basically, your windshield becomes a smart display. A car breakdown is bad, but being invisible on the side of the road is even worse. These DOT-approved warning triangles are designed to make your vehicle much easier to spot during an emergency. Just unfold them and place them where approaching drivers can see the large reflective surface, especially during roadside breakdowns, flat tires, or accidents. They're water-resistant, durable, lightweight, and come as a 3-pack with a storage bag for your trunk. Cars, trucks, motorcycles, RVs, it's one small safety kit you'll want before you actually need it. Your truck weighs thousands of pounds, so why trust it to a parking brake alone? These heavy-duty wheel chocks add a serious layer of protection, helping prevent trucks, trailers, RVs, campers, and boats from rolling, even on slopes. They're non-slip, all-weather, and rated for up to 20,000 pounds, with a grab handle for quick placement. And that bright orange color? Easy to spot before you drive away. Your car's speedometer might be all you need until you want more driving data. This compact GPS display uses GPS plus BDS dual satellite positioning for real-time speed in miles per hour or kilometers per hour. It also shows trip mileage, altitude, compass, time, plus overspeed and 4-hour fatigue alerts. The screen automatically adjusts brightness, and setup is literally plug it into USB and go. No rewiring. No dashboard modification, just smarter driving data, right where you can see it. If you have a dog, you already know the nightmare. Pet hair everywhere. But this little triangle tool makes cleanup ridiculously simple. Just glide it across your car mats, couch, carpet, or furniture, and its rubber surface grabs stubborn, embedded fur into easy-to-collect piles. The best part? No sticky rollers, no disposable refills. Just rinse it with water and reuse it. Small, durable, and surprisingly effective. One swipe, and that layer of dog hair starts disappearing. Your car's phone mount is probably doing just one job. This one does 4. This smart car mount combines wireless Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, a magnetic phone mount, and 20-watt fast charging in one compact setup. So your phone snaps into place, charges wirelessly, and connects to your car without constantly plugging in a cable. It's a simple upgrade that makes everyday driving cleaner, smarter, and way less annoying. And that's the kind of tech that can completely change your driving experience. If you found something you'd actually use, check the links in the description to learn more. For more smart gadgets, crazy inventions, and tech worth knowing about, hit subscribe to Next Tool X. More cool stuff is coming. See you in the next one.